For the next few minutes, I'm not just going to talk at you. I'm going to take you through an experience, a shift. Because by the time we're done, you won't just understand what's been holding you back. You'll feel something inside you change. You'll see your life differently. Not just your thoughts, but the way reality itself has been shaping around you without you noticing. So here's my request. Let go of distractions. Give yourself this moment completely. What you're about to hear isn't just information. It's an initiation. Let's start here. Think of a time when you wanted something badly. A relationship, a job, an opportunity. And no matter what you did, it never came. Now, contrast that with another moment when something amazing dropped into your life effortlessly. You barely even cared about it, yet it showed up, almost like magic. Why does that happen? Why do the things we chase seem to run away, while the things we release flow toward us with no resistance? Because there's a hidden mechanism at play. Most people never see it. But once you understand it, everything changes. Reality is not happening to you. Reality is happening through you. It responds to your state of being. The problem is, most people are stuck in I need it mode. When you chase, obsess, or constantly check for proof, you're broadcasting lack. And reality mirrors it back. But the moment you stop needing, stop checking, stop controlling, it moves. Not because you gave up, but because you stepped into the version of yourself who already has it. This is what Neville Goddard meant. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. He didn't say hope. He didn't say wish. He said assume. And assumption isn't effort. Assumption is knowing. When you know it's already yours, you stop interfering. You stop doubting. You stop forcing. And that's when reality aligns. So here's how you lock this in. Step 1. Stop chasing. Every time you ask, where is it? You affirm that it's not here. If it was done, you wouldn't be searching. You'd be relaxed, certain, confident. That's the energy that draws it in. Step 2. Stay in the state. At first you'll feel confident, but then doubt will creep in. Wait, where is it? That's the test. Don't flinch, don't react. Make peace with not knowing when or how, because the moment you release the timeline, reality catches up. Step 3. Master the silence. This is the hardest part. You've stopped chasing. You've assumed it's yours. But then comes the gap, the space before it shows up. Most people panic here. Don't. That silence is not a delay, it's alignment. Reality is recalibrating. So what do? Nothing. Live your life. Hold the state. Refuse to scramble. Because when you can sit in the silence, the shift locks in, and what you want flows effortlessly toward you, often in ways better than you imagined. So from this moment forward, remember, manifestation is not about doing more. It's about allowing. The moment you stop chasing, reality starts chasing you. If this resonates, type, I let go and it flows in the comments to lock it in. Feel it. Declare it. And share this with someone who needs to know that sometimes the most powerful action is no action at all.